Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're going to look at a 2015 AR 192. Let's take a closer look starting at the stern of this boat. We have a nice big swim platform. We also have a nice seating area here that's very comfortable. You can sit here and watch the kids. Nice backrest, very comfortable. We have a nice tow eye back here for skiing. This boat is also equipped with a wakeboard tower for wakeboarding. Entering into the boat, we have a 1.8 liter Yamaha supercharged engine. This is a great running boat, folks. Plenty of storage to port and starboard. This boat comes with a lounge. It's all about water sports with this boat. Nice big glove box that's lockable. Captain's chair with a baluster seat. Full instrumentation on this boat. Also comes with cruise assist to easy dock for easier docking. Dual cup holders. Up front, we got 2 cup holders, stereo speakers, nice generous bow. Plenty of seating on this boat. Perfect boat for the first-time buyer. My name is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie. If this is a boat you'd like to take a closer look at, give me a call, 803-831-2101. Thanks for watching.